Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel, welcome back for yet another YouTube video. For a change of scenery today, I've decided to do my intro while I'm out walking my little poochie. Just because it's such a nice morning, it's not raining just yet and it's not that windy, so I thought it's a good time to kind of go out and enjoy the weather that we're having. I'm not really sure where I'm going with today's video. I kind of want to take you through sort of my day. I need to do a couple of little jobs like clean the house, change the bed, and I definitely need to clean my wardrobe. I've been requested to do sort of more lifestyle vloggy types of videos, but my life is honestly so boring. I feel like people that do these types of videos have the most interesting life and they do so much fun stuff, but honestly I have the most basic life. I literally walk the dog and go to work, and that's all I do. I'm just going to finish my walk and I'll check in with you guys when I'm back home. Do any of you have like a set cleaning day and then throughout the week you just think, oh, it's okay, I'll leave that because I'm cleaning on Saturday, for example, just my cleaning day. And then when you walk around your house on the actual Saturday, you think, how on earth did I cope with this mess for the whole week? Let me just show you guys what I mean. So this is the living room. So the sofa needs all completely touching up. Why is everything here a mess? Oh, hello boxes and random bits of paper. Then we've got the downstairs bathroom, which I will completely blame on my boyfriend, because apparently this is his private hair studio and where he stores all his drinks and shoes. Fantastic. Okay, then we've got the bedroom, which to be honest is completely my fault. So I didn't make the bed this morning. Just got up and I took a couple of pictures for my Instagram because I ran out of content, but oh my God, look at that pile of crap. Why do I do this to myself? So I'm slaving away cleaning, and this little child must have had such an exhausting day. You tired? Hey guys, just checking in again. So I have actually been cleaning for 3.5 hours, which absolutely flies by, but I'm really feeling the effects of it now. I'm just so exhausted. So I have gone and got myself some Starbucks. So I've got a matcha tea latte, which is my absolute favorite. I used to always get an iced version, but I've tried the hot version and it is incredible, especially when it's not that hot outside. I think I'm just gonna head home now, drink my coffee, and then probably start on my wardrobe, which is so dreaded. You guys will see why when I open up and show it to you guys. It's just such a mess, and it has been for so many months. I'll probably see you next when I am tackling the wardrobe. So yeah, see you guys soon. Right, hello everyone. The time has finally come to unveil the mess behind me. I'm actually embarrassed to show you guys the state of my wardrobe. I've just been putting it off, basically. I don't have any other excuse than I was just a very lazy human being who could not be bothered to tidy this up, and I just kept building and building to the point where I just can't take it anymore. So, are you guys ready for the grand reveal? Okay, I think we just need to take a moment. Okay, so to basically explain to you my organised mess. So at the top here I store all my sort of jeans, joggers, leggings, any tops that don't need to be hung up, and all of my hoodies. They all just get kind of piled on top of here. They do have their own categories, but as you can see, that is really high for me to reach. So to give you an example of what tends to happen, so let's say I want to put these away. So I'll give them a nice little fold, and then what happens is, I know that leggings go here, so I just go and hope for the best. Anyway, so hung up here is anything that I feel needs to be hung up, so that's a lot of my knitwear, like blazers and jackets and things like that. I've got shoes in the back there, which are a huge mess. And then all these little pink boxes store things like my socks, underwear. I've got my straighteners and things in there as well, just to get them out of the way, along with a bunch of other stuff that we'll probably discover throughout this video. Okay, so I am thinking that we will start just from the bottom there, because that is the worst part of it. Then we'll make our way up to here, and then finally I'm literally just going to pull all this stuff down. We'll see what actually is here, see if I can get rid of anything, and then hopefully put it back into nice neat piles. So for those of you that are having a bit of a panic right now, this will look a lot better at the end of the video, but it's a process. The first two boxes down here are my socks and underwear, which I'm not going to go through on camera. I have got too many socks, to be honest. I do need to make my way through it, but we'll just pop those here for the time being. Why did I do this to myself? So this box here is supposed to be kind of my bras. Might as well do this because it's not looking great anyway. Okay, so what I've got in here is a bunch of bras. I've actually not got that many bras at the moment because, as you may or may not have seen in one of my previous vlogs, I did get a bra fitting done, and I found out that I'm a completely different size to what all my bras were. So in this box now I just have the bras for the right size. Oh, just a really random tip. So these bras I've kind of made myself. So these ones were actually a cup size too small for me, but they were padded before, and all I did was cut out the padding and I just have like a nice sexy little lace bra. I did it with a blue one I had as well, and a white one, which I think is around here somewhere. But with the white one, unfortunately I did cut the lace, so I can't actually wear that one, but I've been too upset about it to actually throw it away. Okay, so this I've never actually used, but I can't get myself to throw it away. So it's from Boohoo, and it was sold as a skirt, but actually it seems a bit more like a beach cover-up, because when you do this up, so when you do this up, your kind of thigh is showing quite a lot, and as you're walking that kind of exposes as well. So I thought this would be really, really cute to wear with some swimwear or something like that. The only issue is that my swimwear is also leopard print, so it's a bit of a clash, which is why I've never actually had a chance to wear this. Oh, that's where this top went. That's not ideal because it's white and I was sitting on all my shoes. I'll pop that here for now. So then this basket is basically a bunch of random crap. Okay, so we have the curlers, got the straighteners, got some fake eyelashes. I will probably use these, but they should go in my makeup bag. Oh, I've got these little claw grips. Oh, I just broke one. Perfect. Another box done. Okay, so also we've got here is a pile of hats, my makeup bag. Oh, got some more tops that fell down. Ooh, a beret. Well, honestly, I felt so cool when I bought this beret, but I've never ever worn it out. Let's have a look. Oh, okay, so this item I want to talk about. So back in the day, when I was going through kind of like my emo phase, we'll call it, I was absolutely obsessed with a brand called Bring Me the Horizon, and when I found out that they had a brand, like a clothing brand called Drop Dead, I was obsessed. Like, I needed to buy something on there, but me being like 14, 15, I didn't have a great amount of money, so spending like 50 quid on a hoodie or something just seemed very, very excessive at the time. I mean, it still does, but my best friend at the time knew how much I loved it when she purchased this hat for me, which is literally like a beanie yeah, a beanie hat with a little love heart that has Drop Dead written on it. Honestly, I still love this to this day. I now get the pleasure of going through all of my shoes. So, okay, so let's talk about this fake pair of Balenciagas. I have been obsessed with these trainers since the kind of trend came in and came out. I still absolutely love them. I just personally would not spend that much money on a pair of trainers for two reasons. One, it's just quite an excessive amount of money, and two, I am the clumsiest person in the world. Like, these already I have scuffed, I've made them dirty. I mean, yeah, I get that they are a fake pair, they will wear a little bit quicker, but I just imagine if I had the real pair, I would be too afraid to wear them, so they would just sit in my wardrobe forever. I'm gonna get the boxes back in then. Okay, that is looking so much better already. Okay, so I'm going to start with my hanging items now. I'll go from this side. So this one is one of those items that I haven't worn in the longest time. I don't know if it even fits me. Yeah, I just don't wear it because where it's the jacket and it's quarter sleeve, it's kind of like an awkward item. Because if you wear like a long sleeve underneath, obviously it's popping out, it doesn't look great. But if you have it on like a warmer day, then it's too hot because you're wearing a jacket. It's a bit of like an awkward item, but I just fell in love with it because it was just cute and the colour's nice. This one was actually a very, very good charity shop find. So it's a nice brown blazer. The brand is Hobbs. Like, I got this for like £7 or something. It's mad. It is such a nice blazer. The only thing with it is I prefer an oversized looking blazer. This is actually quite a fitted one, so it's more of a formal kind of look. But still looks cute anyway. I used to wear it to work all the time. Oh, and this is my all-time favourite blazer, which is the black Primark blazer. Oh, this sweatshirt. Can we just take a moment? Okay, this, I actually really hate this. I was looking for a jumper dress for such a long time, and I found one on Vinted that a girl was selling second hand. It looked really lovely in the picture. It was only £6. I was like, oh my god, bargain. And it's just not cute. It has no front, no back, no labels inside. You don't know what the hell you're doing. These belt loops are ginormous and the colour's just eh. Yeah, so realistically I don't love this either. It makes me look ginormous, so that can go away. Okay, now let's talk about this cardigan. I got this from Primark. I got it in a size 2 extra small, which is size 4 to 6, which obviously I am not. But I was just in love with this. I'll show you guys because it does fit. That's just like a nice little cardigan. The only issue I've got with it is that it's kind of like that awkward length. I just can't get myself to throw it away because the embroidered flowers and things in it are so gorgeous. Okay, this one I'm also really upset about. Oh, okay. It knows what's coming. So this is a gorgeous, thick, knitted Zara jumper, which I do really like this. The only thing is, I don't know if it's because I have quite a large bust. It makes me look so huge on my top half, and then normally I would wear it with like a pair of jeans or something, and I literally look like a bodybuilder that's not worked out his legs. Like, honestly, that's the only way I can describe it. If I just like chuck it over, so I think it'll be really cute as a cardigan because it's like a lovely length. You just have these long ass bits which obviously wouldn't work because they'd be trailing along while you're walking. But yeah, the idea is that it kind of crosses over, and then you can either tie it at the back or you can pull that through and tie it at the front, whichever way you prefer. But yeah, it's got these big kind of batwing sleeves, and it just, I don't know, I just think it doesn't fit my body shape very well. Okay, so if you know me, you know that I am obsessed with llamas, and I got this sweatshirt, and honestly, it has been made for me. Look at this. It's got 2 cute little llamas on there. They're fluffy, one's pink, one's cream, all the neutrals going on. I'm obsessed with this sweatshirt. I just try not to wear it in the house because my dog has got black fur, and if that gets intertwined into this white sweatshirt, it's going to be ruined. This is absolutely amazing. again from Primark, which is where I have been absolutely living. It's a cute little white denim play suit with like yellow in the stitching, which honestly I know has been such a big trend right now. This looks so gorgeous. It's got these little fake pockets on the bum as well, which makes it look so flattering. If they still have it in Primark, definitely go and purchase this. You will not regret it. Ooh, my favourite dress. Oh, this I love as well. It's like a long line dress, polka dot dress. I got it from Asda last year. Obsessed. Let's tackle the biggest mess of my whole wardrobe, which is this bit over here. So I'm going to literally chuck these down as an avalanche and fingers crossed I don't get suffocated and die. Okay, so this top I think is the oldest item that I own, and it is basically a top from H&M, which is in a size extra small when I was super skinny. I have had this for like, how long now? Like 8 years or something like that, and it's still going strong, and H&M, like, impressive. I just realised that you guys can't actually see anything I'm doing on the floor, so let me just move you. Hello again. So now you can see the real state of how everything is looking. I'm literally just putting into piles of the same type of thing, like cycling shorts, leggings, sweatshirts and all that kind of stuff, so fun. Whenever I start tidying my clothes, I always think, oh my god, I have got so many clothes, which I do. When I look at these, they all have like their own purpose. Like this ugly ass top, why did I sound American when I said that? This top I use for like working out and exercising and stuff because it's lightweight, it's breathable, it's ugly, no one will see me. Fantastic. This is my absolute favourite pair of jeans, and they're from Primark, and they've lasted me literally like, I think I've had these for about 2 or 3 years. Although they're not perfect, like I find with Primark jeans you get like one leg longer than the other, one tighter than the other. These are one of the best fitting jeans that I have ever bought, and they're so nice and stretchy, so they've kind of lasted me as I've put on a bit of weight and stuff like that, which is perfect. And I think I am most amazed about is considering the Primark jeans, they have not worn between the thighs, which I don't know how on earth that's happened. But yeah, I think these will probably give in on me soon. I can see the wearing like around the pockets and stuff like that. It's so annoying because I know when I edit this, it's going to look like this took me about 5 minutes, but in reality, I've been here for about an hour, an hour and 20 minutes or something. I don't even think I have to explain myself. It is a top covered in little stitches. Oh my god, we have made it. I have folded everything in a nice little pile. I've got a couple of things that I've thrown over there which I will be getting rid of. I'm just going to put you guys back over where you were, and I will put all of this stuff back as well. Okay, we are done. Just kind of looking at it, just making me feel so much better. What a relief, honestly. I've been able to get rid of some crap that's been hiding in there as well, which I have not been aware of. I just need to find a place for the hat, and then everything else will have its own space to go into. Right, so we have made it to the end of today's vlog. I know it's been nothing interesting. As I said at the beginning, I do live a very boring kind of life. But I thought it would be nice to bring you guys along just to see a little bit of sort of sorting and tidying and what my typical Saturday normally looks like. The wardrobe isn't part of it, don't worry, I don't go through this once a week and it looks like this. I honestly have not touched this in quite a few months, but obviously the whole house and stuff I clean every single week. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy it, I'd really love it if you would subscribe. Comment down below if you have any thoughts of any videos you'd like to see me do in the future as well. And of course, I would really love it if you'd follow me over on my Instagram, which is Pkdoeslife, where you can actually see me wearing some of this stuff. I do genuinely get through quite a lot of that, I promise. Right, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you guys soon. Bye!